Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create forms on Microsoft Office Access. So now open your Microsoft Access and follow uh, simple steps. To create a form, we need to go to the menu Create and click on the Create tab here. In here we will find multiple creation sections. There is the report section or creation section, and there is the forms section. So basically, here you can click on a section from the wizard, so you can control your fields that you want to include in the section, or you can just have like a basic formula of basic form that will be created automatically based on your table. So I'm going to click on it, and basically it added the all the table fields here in this section. I mean in this form, and now you can see it in the view layout view or in the form view. And also you can add some buttons to it to scroll between records, because here you can't click on anything to see the other record, so you can add some buttons. uh, as you can see, this is our button, and for example you can click and find next, and it will just text find next. Just let's have it in next, and we will click on command and finish. And whenever you are going to click on this button, it will uh, take you to this it will take you automatically to the other records of uh, you didn't specify search criteria, so we are going to add to modify our insert. Fine. Let's let's see again now. As you can see, after you click on next, it will just go to the next record until you finish the records. So now we will be needing a previous button, so let's just add it. So we go to the design mode, we add another button here, and record navigation, and now we want to go to the previous record. So we click previous and just next, finish, and go to the view form view, and uh, because we are in the first record, so now you can start scrolling between records. So basically this is how you create a basic form on Microsoft Access. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.